Okay. You mentioned reviews. I wanted to ask, what kind of promotion do you do for the store? Do you have any tips or tricks to help other stores get reviews when they're making sales or repairs?
Oh, we have a sign in the front. You get a discount if you leave us a review, or you get a free accessories when you leave us a review. And every time we remind the customer, and hey, if you like, our service, plus please give us a review and write your experience. How was it? And we always remind them.
And I assume you taught all the employees to do that as well every time. Okay.
It's important. Sometimes you forgot, but
Yeah. And just in general as well, in terms of Techie having worked with other businesses and promoting, is how are you marketing your location, or do you find that you don't really need to do much because it's inside of Walmart?
no, we need marketing. Actually, I work with a company. I believe it's related to the Techy too, and they do marketing on Google, and it's really helpful. And I see difference about the calls because not every time people just pass front of our store. They call and they make appointment, and after that they come to the store.